Hey, it's me, too much a geek guy here, and today I'm going to take a look at this Fire Maple Petrel Ultralight folding table. Let's break it out real quick. So you can see, nice compact size, and the idea is just a small portable table for you. You can see, real small, folds up nicely. It's got these legs here that come out, and these legs actually go two sizes. So this hole here is where you're going to put your gas isobutane. As you can see, I got one here. Just pop it in, then you'll sit the table down. But this is a smaller canister, so this is the 100 gram. So what happens is the legs here got two different sizes, two slots basically, and you'll pull this down into the middle slot, and this will fit this 100 gram isobutane fuel canister. This in total is, let's see, 6.8 ounces in total weight. It's made of stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and compatible with, like I said, the 100 gram isobutane fuels and the 200. So you got 100 and, no, not 200, but 230. So the 230, it'll sit nice and flat. With the 100, you'll fold these in a little bit. The legs will come out this way and be able to sit flat with the 100 gram isobutane fuel. Other than that, like I said, small, compact. Case comes with some quick directions for you. Nothing fancy here, but then it's got a little Velcro. You'll put your table in there, and that's it. So let's test it out. So the first thing I'll show you here is it doesn't lay flat because it's not set up for the 100 gram fuel container. So as I struggle here and try to move the legs into the inner slots, you'll see that once I get it in there, it'll lay flat with the 100 gram container versus the 230. So it's actually really simple. It's just a simple squeeze there. Just had to figure it out, and we're flat. So it doesn't look flat there, but trust me, it is. So you can see the table itself is not huge, but it's big enough to hold a little pot. And you could just imagine being outside in the, in the woods hiking. You just need a flat surface to sit your meal prep on, or as here we're just boiling some water. But it's always nice to have a little clean table to use. So if you have any other uses for it, put it down in the comments below. was the Petrel Ultralight folding table. I'd say if you need something stable for your hike and outdoors, this is probably a perfect little table for you. Pretty solid, no issues. I like that it has adjustable legs for the 100 and 230 gram canister stoves. And as you can see, a little easy to take off. You can probably use it with any kind of backpacking stove. This is the Green Peak 2 from Fire Maple. But yeah, not a bad product. Pretty solid. All you gotta do is push the legs in here, fold that down. And there you go. Fire Maple Petrel table. All right. Well, thanks for joining me on this one, and I'll see you on the next one.